Guys, you gotta take a look at this, okay? Windows 10 Gold Nigeria. Okay, Windows 10 Gold Nigeria Edition, 3.6 gigabyte. A joke Windows mod based against Windows 10 Enterprise LTSB. I heard about LTSC, but never heard about LTSB 2016 that makes fun of the special members of the Nanana community. Warning, I do not recommend using. You will cringe and probably get eye cancer. People, I mean, I don't know. Should I? Maybe, like, you never know. Like, what if it's cool? Come on, like, what if it's actually cool? Windows 10 Gold Nigeria Edition. Isn't that amazing? Well, goddamn, that's cool. I find it's cool. Is there's any product key just in case I need it? Okay, so in here we got original description, a leaked build of Wayne Nathaniel Windows Whistler Edition R2 projects. Never heard of that. That's why I'm gonna actually Google that thing and see what it actually means. So Windows 10, blah, 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 blah. Copy and then paste. Thank you. Anything interesting? My Wi-Fi is slow, goddamn. Are you gonna take forever? Yes, the hell is gonna take forever. Anyway, so while this is downloading in the background, I will tell you a backstory for what's actually going on. Before recording that video, the idea was to install Windows XP Gold Edition. So I started recording, got my hand on one of the ISOs of Windows XP Gold Edition. For people that doesn't know, that's just a customized version of Windows XP that have extra applications, different bootloading animations, sounds, effects, everything, you name it. So I got my hand on the first ISO. It started installing. It was a bit creepy actually when installing, and then it's crashed. Never wanted to finish installing. Then I got my hand on another ISO that appeared to be just a normal Windows XP Gold Edition from Microsoft itself, that doesn't have any extra stuff. So I looked like a fool at this point, but I didn't want to give up. So while searching for another ISO of Windows XP Gold Edition, I found this, which appears to be a little funny, but you know what? Maybe that will be actually way better. Since he said, you're probably gonna get eye cancer. Well, it is what it is. I gotta do what I gotta do. And stuff like that are the stuff that's actually getting me excited. You know, I want to see the Gold Nigeria edition. Is it even better? Is it cool? Is it something that will give you eye cancer? You never know, but there's only way to find out. And that's what I'm gonna actually do today. So let's just wait for that thing to get downloaded and then starts installing this Windows 10 Gold Nigeria edition. So before actually using this in front of you guys, I decided to give it a try. And the reason why is because I want to make sure there is nothing bad that will appear in my video that's I will have to edit later on, okay? And I'm already starting to deal with some really nasty stuff in here. So the one that's made this operating system wanted to be a really bad boy and turned everything into actual hell, just like he mentioned during the installation. I hope I actually recorded the installation. I did, but I'm not going to share it because it's just a normal installation with some weird backgrounds. But in here, we're basically in after installing this operating system. Okay, so you can already read, hello, you lol. Time to get here, buy some sweets. Okay, amazing. Okay, successful sign in. The last time you interactively signed into this account was Tuesday, May 8th, 2025, which is just a bit ago. Unsuccessful sign in, there has been no unsuccessful, So that was me actually that's signed in just a bit ago. And yeah. Okay, you can already say. Go ahead, explain what that is, Mr. Nigerian fanboy, whoever that is. Can I select the keyboard? I didn't really deal that much with it, so I only changed the theme because this thing didn't really want to work. But for some reasons, now it does work. This is change account settings. But there is no settings. You can actually read that there is some bad stuff on the screen. Here we got cook and yeah, and we got your mom last night, and then we got nuke in 32 bits, nuke ESI in 32 bits. Let's just hop in there and see what we deal with. So nothing really. Okay, pretty cool. Yeah. And then we got Windows RI. I really thought that will be funny, but it appeared to be more nasty than funny to me now. You can read yourself, okay? We got logger, we got Brinton, we got this, we got destroy your system. Yeah, I wanted to show my system. Well, that seems pretty okay. Boot services, starts up tools, open task manager. I didn't actually open this task manager. What we have? Details. Wow, is that actually SVC host services? What's the services that we have? I will assume there's a lot of shady services. Performance, yeah. The fonts are a bit off because this is not actually the default font that's come with Windows 10. Memory, I gave it 6 gigabytes. And the disk is a 60 gigabytes. It says NVMe, but VMware Virtual NVMe disk, whatever. Processes, we got basically regular Windows processes running in the background. Pretty cool, general. It's okay. Let's get back to here and then disk wiper 5000 explode. Okay, right. Scheduling, all right. Okay. Yeah, the destroying drivers, yeah. No, absolutely. ISCS whatever. Look at your of a PC. Look at okay, ROM. Okay, shitbox bank. Sucks. It's useless shit. But fucking more desktops. Nuke your ISP. Can I open it? Wait, can I put the link? Right? Nothing. Ask me later. You're not connected. Okay. Normal, pre-normal. And here it says you're not connected. You're not connected. I'm not gonna connect to the internet whatsoever. There is no way I'm connecting to the internet using this. So there is something that I found. Yeah, useless. Sorry. Roblox store. Okay. Scan and fax. All right. Let me just make that a bit bigger. Oh, I can now. Pretty cool. Shit's bad to snip out more. Okay. XPS. Right. You do not know how much you need this. Do I really need that? Okay. Right. Math here. 1 plus 1 equals 5. Pretty cool. Yeah. Math inputs panel. So that's the exact thing we just opened. I can just exit. And then we got what else? I didn't show you the appearance section. You can actually select a different desktop background if you're interested. If you don't want to go through some weird stuff, okay? Look at that. Take a look. Isn't that something you will find in the dark web? Yes, you're right. You will actually find something like that. Really creepy. It all started with a joke, and then we ended up seeing some really creepy stuff that I'm not really sure what to say about. And also this operating system itself, let's talk about it. It seems to be 100% not safe, so please don't do it on your actual machine and instead use a virtual machine. And even using a virtual machine is not the safest option at this point, because the amount of stuff I've seen on this is wild, okay? It's super, super wild. Compact OS, what is even that? So as I said, there's a lot of stuff that are off with this operating system or this Windows 10 installation. And yeah, make sure you don't connect it to the internet whatsoever if you're gonna install it, okay? Display settings, nothing else. I just want to see what's that, compact? The system is not compact, but you might become compact as needed. All right. Kill not responding tasks. Oh, damn. Wow. What did it do? Did it just kill my whole thing? It's my. Wait. If I do this. All right. It's back. It's back again. Turn off. The file manager or file explorer is a bit almost the same. Except it says emotional damage in here, so keep that in mind. And yeah, emotional damage, search emotional damage, and local disk C. Amazing. What else? All your Winnie bootlegs. Amazing. User accounts. Change user account. Let's see if I can actually create a new user account, maybe with new wallpapers. They probably deleted all the Windows 10 default wallpapers. That's for sure. I'm really sure 100% about that. But we're gonna see. So let's just wait for that to load. Here you go. And if I select someone else and then just wait it a little bit, then I will just say Jason. For example, password doesn't matter. Just click next. I have it. Now we can change account type and then I will give it an administrator access. And now I'm ready to go. So if I click here and say sign out, it will sign me out. Pretty cool. Then I will slide this up and every time it will, okay, here you go. So we're in. This is the first time you're in signed into this account. Yes, thank you so much for letting me know. Hi, so your regular Windows 10, I'm happy you're here. Oh, well, we're happy you're here. Excuse me? What are you saying? Kids and things really, please don't turn off your PC. Finally, a regular Windows 10 thingy. Let's start. Okay. So, okay, thanks to God. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, that got me actually like stressed. Please, the one that's made this operating system, you made it so scary to use. Personalization. Is there any normal themes, I guess? No? There isn't? Desktop icons, right? Pretty cool. So once you create a new account, you will be able to actually use that thing as an operating system and not be afraid. Well, I'm sure you're not, but like I'm just saying, no, you're not gonna install this officially on your machine, but wait, it still says the exact same thing. Oh man. I thought it's disappeared, but at least we have Notepad instead of Shitpad, or no, never mind. I'm taking back my words. So Explorer, I cannot change anything. We're about to look, just keep that like that, and okay. That looks way better for me, at least. And yeah, what else we got? I still didn't actually finish doing everything or like taking a look at everything, but I believe I covered almost everything. The rest is just, I don't know, developer stuff. At least that's what I think. Because, of course, this is not the normal thing you will actually have in your Windows 10 normal installation. Windows firewalls. Okay, so they took everything in the control panel and just put it in. Good to know. But rather than that, this is what we got. The emotional damage. Where's the emotional damage thing? It doesn't show up anymore. Okay, so that's in the other account. So when you create a new account or a new user in this machine, you will be basically almost having a normal Windows 10 installation, except this. But if you're gonna log into that one in here, and I'm gonna log into it right now, here you go. We're just gonna click next, and then we're gonna sign in and blah, blah, blah. All right, and this, what's he gonna be actually faced with? Oh, wait. I didn't actually notice something. Wait. So there's a game in here? Oh, yeah, the last thing I will actually do... Okay, I will actually do something before finishing this video, but yeah, this is what I will do. I will launch that thing. Fuck, tell me your name, or else I will shop... okay. Dude, chill. Click here to get... Wow, okay. My name is, Nigeria. Wow, okay. The crack shit queen. What is this? It's the cards game, but getting home and being but wow, man, like what? Click here for free Minecraft. Go ahead. Wait, what? I cannot click. Weed. What's going on? Gets in. Okay, it just exits. Okay, so that's the exits button. And yeah, this was today's video. I guess this is the Nigerian Windows 10 edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And let me know what the weirdest Windows 10 installation that you ever had on your machine. See you in the next one.